Traders, we got a fresh new week ahead of us. On the move this morning, we got ENOB up huge, up over 220%, over 2 million traded pre-market. It's a low price stock, but that's a huge move. CHK up over 53%, almost a million traded pre-market. That's in play. CCL up over 14%, over 5.5 million traded pre-market. There's a bunch here that are moving big this morning, so it should be interesting. So let's get to it. BA, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. Alright, we are long BA at 221.82. We think this thing will blast over the top here, so target's going to be around 223. Alright, here we go, come on. And stop loss will be below 221.80 area, about a point each way. But it looks good here. If we look at the SPY's climbing, so we got a tailwind. This thing is up a lot though, so you got to be careful. Alright, here it comes, come on. Alright, we're at our stop area here. Alright, we're going to come out of this right here. We're out. We took a little over a point loser on that one. I probably came out of it premature because it's probably still going to climb here. But it's up so much that if it didn't climb now, it's probably going to drop. And there it is. Now it's going to drop. Good thing we got out of it. RCL, we are short at 72.24. This looks great here for a breakdown below the lows here. So target's going to be around 71.25 area. And stop loss will be over 73.10.20 area. About a point each way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It gapped up high and it dropped right away. A few points. Then it rallied hard, and then it just continued to drop here. And now it's about to break 72. I think it should be a nice break, nice whole number break. Market is starting to climb though. I don't like that. I was hoping the market would continue to drop. If the market starts to climb, the stock will climb. It's been climbing with the market lately. Come on. Alright, we're coming up on our stop area here. Come on. Alright, we're going to come out of this. Market's starting to climb here. Alright, we're out. We took a loss here. We took a 60-cent loser. It should have dropped there. It didn't drop. So it's best just to come out of it here, mostly because of the SPY. If we look at the SPY here, I got in it because it looked like the SPY was just going to continue to drop, but it's putting in a real fat green candle there. More likely than not, this stock RCL will climb. ZM, we're going to short this right here if we can. I want to get in it before it breaks 200 one more time here. Come on. Alright, we are in ZM at 219. We think this thing is going to drop here below the lows. So target's going to be below 199. And stop loss will be over 201.10 area, 20 area, about a point each way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Alright, so this thing gaps down, flushes. Alright, now it's been consolidating here. You know, you got a lot of dip buying going on here. And when it don't work out, they're all going to have their stops around 199. Same thing if you're short. You're going to have your stop over 201.50 area, I would say. And we're heading up there now. That's not good. Alright, and it's not looking good here. We are already at our stop area. Just like that. We are going to come out of this right here if we can. Alright, it's popping here. Alright, let's pull this up here. I don't want to be in this anymore. Come on, come out of this. Alright, we're out. We took another point loser on this. 3 losers in a row here. That's not good. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long right here if we can. Alright, we are long TSLA, 100 shares. We think this thing is going to take off here. Mostly because it gapped up real nice and then it rallied hard. Then it just dropped. Now it's picking up its pace right here, so we're going to see if we can get at least 2 points off of this. So target's going to be 216.50. Stop loss will be below 212.50. 2 points each way. Looks really good here for a bounce from the lows. Stock's up huge. Look at the daily here. Look at how strong this thing is. So we think this thing bounces here hard. TSLA. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Only 100 shares, but it's a pretty pricey stock here. So, all right, here we go. Let's see if we can get at least 2 points on this. Come on. I don't see why it don't take out 916 and go right up to 917 here. Come on. We'll probably get a little bit more here. Come on. TSLA looks like it wants to go over 2. All right, here we go. All right, let's see if we can take this right here. All right, nice. Nice. We took a little over 2 points. Only 100 shares. I want to check out TSLA. Still climbing here. Should have stuck in it. RCL, we're going to take this for a long right here. Alright, we are in RCL long at 71.48. We took this thing short earlier and we took a loss on it. We dropped 2 points after we got out of it. It climbed and then it dropped. But now it looks like it's getting bought up here. So we think we can get at least a point off of this. So target's going to be 72.50 area, and stop loss will be below the lows. But if we look at the market's been dropping all morning, so we think it'll bounce. As soon as it bounces, this stock will climb, but it is coming down to our stop area already. RCL looks like it's waking up here. If we can get back what we lost on it, that'd be great too. Yeah, RCL, we're gonna come out of this right here. Don't like it anymore. Alright, we're out. Only took a 10-cent winner on that. This should have climbed. Should have climbed at least like in this candle right here, and it's pulling back here. It popped up to almost 72, and I was pretty happy about that. And now it's pulling back. If we look at the SPY, it's dropping too. So the SPY is going to take out the lows, and this is going to drop along with it. We are short CM at 204.15. This is our second trade on it. We took it earlier for a short, and we took over a point loser off of it. Now it's climbed quite a bit from the lows. It's still down for today, and the market's been dropping. So as soon as the market starts to climb, I think this sucker will drop at least down to 203. That's going to be our target area. Now 203. And stop loss will be over 205. If you see this right here, it's right back to where it opened, where you saw a huge amount of selling take place. So I'm thinking the same will happen again. Here it comes. Come on. We got about 50-60 cents on it. I think we can get a little bit more. Come on. There we go. Here we go. Alright, let's just take this right here. It's struggling there. Come on. Alright, we're going to pull this up. Alright, we're out. We're out. We took a little over 50 cents off that trade. It's not pulling back the way I wanted to, so I better just take what I can off of it and take away from my losses this morning. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't see anything else here that looks good. We had a rough start to the morning. 3 good-sized losers right off bat, but we got a lot of it back. Still ended up red though. We're down 110. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 3 losers, 3 winners. Our biggest loser on BA and our biggest winner on TSLA. Thanks for watching.